Good night, Mobile Bay with the beautiful view. Good night, battleship that served in World War II.
Good night, Mardi Gras. The tradition started here.
Good night, Senior Bowl, where football fans come to cheer.
Good night, distinguished young women who come from all 50 states. Good night, Senior Theater, whose shows are always great.
Good night to the grounds and the annual fair.
Good night to all the people enjoying the Infant Square.
Good night, Hank Aaron Stadium, home of the Bay Bears team.
Good night, Old Dutch, where you eat the best ice cream. Good night, Carpe Diem. Your coffee makes me want to seize the day. Good night, Bankhead Tunnel. Can you hold your breath the entire way? Good night, Austin, where big ships are built every day. Good night, Explorium, where kids learn and play.
Good night, Bellingraph Gardens, the perfect place to see flowers.
Good night, RSA, Mobile's tallest tower. Good night, Fort Conde, where the soldiers once stood. Good night, historic Oakley and beautiful neighborhood. Good night, Dewdrop Inn, where the best hot dogs are found.
Good night, Mobile River Delta, with beautiful nature all around.
Good night, Mobile Police Department. Thanks for protecting all of us.
Good night to the planes being made at Airbus. Good night, Azonia Trailmaids. Your dresses are so colorful and pretty.
Good night, Mobile.
Good night, Mobile.
Good night, Mobile, our beloved port city.